Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Toscana soup in an instant pot, just like Olive Garden's. These are the ingredients. And we start off by setting our instant pot to saute mode. And then we add just a little bit of olive oil. And we let it heat up for a little bit. We then add the sausage and crumble it up until it's cooked through. Okay, our sausage is cooked. We can add the diced onion and cook for about 5 minutes until soft. Okay, after 5 minutes, we can add the garlic and cook for about 1 minute or so. Okay, we then add our 4 cups of chicken broth and we scrape the bottom of the pot. Okay, then we just add our sliced potatoes. Okay, we put our lid on, lock it up, and set the valve to seal. Make sure it's to seal. Then we hit our cancel and we hit pressure cook mode to 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we add our 1 cup of heavy cream to a small bowl, and then we add the 2 tablespoons of flour and we mix it all together. Okay, our 5 minutes are up. We let it on natural release for about 10 minutes or so. After the 10 minutes, we hit cancel and then we do a quick release. Be careful because it's hot. The steam is hot, okay? Okay, after all the steam is out, we hit the soup mode and we can open the lid. Okay, we then add our mixture of cream and flour to the pot and we mix it all together. We let it simmer for about 10 minutes or so. Alright, and we add our kale and the pepper flakes, some salt and pepper to taste. Almost ready, guys. Oh, so excited. It smells delicious. If you want, you can also cook some bacon, cut it into pieces and throw it in there too. Alright, this Toscana is done, guys. It is so good. You can serve it with cheese, with bacon, like I said. It is delicious. I hope you try this recipe. It's super easy on the Instant Pot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Enjoy, guys.